Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a 76 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This comes from Fred in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Fred has requested the modern internal conversion, wired to the original connectors, the Bluetooth option, and also my cool little master input-output box. For those of you guys who would want to run your stereo through one of those big old huge amplifiers that mount to the trunk with 3-inch lag bolts, I can offer the left, right, front, and rear pre-outs and unpowered subwoofer output, and then this would be the aux input if you're ordering this box. So let's go ahead and test everything before we center back. I've got it set the AM at the moment to the one strong station I get, so we can do some adjustments during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright stuff. So let's turn it on.
I think that the message that everybody's looking for to college graduation is something that inspires them.
Okay, I'm going to adjust the virtual front rear fader. Activate and adjust it.
You know, I thought Harrison Bucker's speech was fascinating because it got
fader adjust.
Okay, so all the way front, all the way rear, front,
and
rear. Okay, I'm going to center them.
Don't tell me what I want to hear that you think I say.
That you're recycling.
Fader set. Okay, left, right, balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left, right, left, right. Okay, I'm going to center them.
You'll find it at Finley Toyota Press.
Balance
set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Everything you want for around town.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, now we're on FM.
Nobody know what I done. She's beautiful downtown Prescott.
Take my hand, drag me.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
No one stands in me. Please believe me. So steady I can. World, the ones who achieve me. And you never like them.
Hey, hit the eject button, tape comes out, radio comes back. And we already know the dial light's working because on this model, the dial light comes on when you turn on the radio. Doesn't matter whether you have your interior car lights on or not. So that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. If you're serious about sending in your radio, you're going to have to fill out a work order anyway. So go ahead and make that the first step towards finding out my options, prices, and turn times. Once you've done that, I'm happy to talk to you. I just don't want to answer the same 15-minute barrage of questions over and over and over from each new customer, because that keeps me off the bench where the work gets done. So I got to get the work done, guys, so please do your research before calling me. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Fred, for your business all the way from Philly, and we'll see you guys next time.